All right, everyone. As we reach the end of our course, Envelope Systems and Retrofitting, let's take a moment to reflect on the key concepts and skills you developed throughout these modules. This course has equipped you with the knowledge and practical expertise needed to tackle one of the most critical aspects of sustainable buildings: optimizing the performance of existing building envelopes. In Canada, where a significant portion of our buildings are aging and energy inefficient, your ability to improve these structures will be in high demand. We began by establishing a firm grounding in building science fundamentals. This wasn't just about learning abstract theories. It was about understanding the why behind every decision related to the building envelope. We explored the fundamental forces that govern building performance: air movement, heat flow, and moisture management. You learn that a building is a complex system. If we don't understand how these forces interact, we can end up with problems like energy loss, draft, condensation, mold growth, and even structural damage. You learned that controlling air movement is crucial, and that's where air barriers come in. These aren't the same as vapor barriers. They are designed to stop the movement of air, which carries both heat and moisture. You explored different types of air barrier materials and learned how to install them properly to create a continuous airtight seal around the building envelope. You explored different types of insulation materials and learned how to choose the right one for different applications, considering factors like R value, cost, and environmental impact. With a solid understanding of building science principles and low carbon envelope upgrades, you were ready to tackle retrofitting strategies for residential homes. This module focused on the specific challenges and opportunities associated with retrofitting different types of residential buildings based on their age and construction style. We also turned our attention to retrofit strategies for commercial buildings and the unique challenges and opportunities associated with retrofitting commercial, institutional, and agricultural buildings. And we ended with policy in action, where we saw how the government helps and what are the best ways to make a great use of the tools they provide. Throughout this course, you not only gained an understanding of building science principles and retrofit strategies, but you also developed the practical skills needed to assess existing building, identify areas for improvement, and implement effective upgrades. But perhaps most importantly, you gained a new perspective on the role of the building envelope in creating a more sustainable and resilient future. Congratulations! You have only one more course left to complete this program and get your Green Building and Retrofitting certificate. See you in the last course, Safety and Compliance Basics.